First tonight at 11, the battle to win in the court of public opinion is now waging in full force.
Just hours ago, 61 people were indicted in one massive criminal case, all of them charged with conspiring to use violence to try to stop the construction of Atlanta's future public safety training center.
And tonight, a big part of what their defense may be is already in the works. 11 Alive's John Sherrick has their story.
Protesters exercising their First Amendment rights.
Violence is not political speech.
Georgia Attorney General Carr announcing a grand jury indictment against 61 people, charging them with racketeering, using violence to try to stop construction of Atlanta's new public safety training center.
What I can say is that Dr. King said that violence is the language of the unheard.
Attorney Devin Franklin with the Southern Center for Human Rights in Atlanta says the center is already working to arrange for attorneys for the defendants.
And what we have heard and read in the indictment is not violence. It is alleged property destruction.
It is a distinction, Franklin says, that will be clear when defense attorneys argue that relatively few of the suspects are accused of actual destruction. Attorney General Carr says in this racketeering case, all were involved in some way.
If you come to our state and shoot a police officer, hurl Molotov cocktails at law enforcement, set fire to police vehicles, damage construction equipment, vandalize private homes and businesses, and terrorize their occupants, you can and will be held accountable.
Franklin calls the indictment an overreaction by a government that has failed to silence the protesters any other way.
We are going to be able to make sure that everyone has qualified, competent, zealous legal representation.
All while construction continues on the training center, which as of now is scheduled to open late next year. In Atlanta, John Sherrick, 11 Alive News.